What's going on, people? We are back. We are back. Yo, your account punching in progress? Oh, geez. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Ooh, yeah. Yup. Could happen. You got chopped. Yo, what up, 00? Yo, 007, by the way, if somebody on Twitter says I'm 21 and made $5 million, ask me any questions, do not go to their Discord. Just don't. They're trying to sell you shit. It's usually some guy that doesn't make any money that's trying to sell you stuff. I just wanted to let you know. I think I actually commented on your thing. Yo, Luke. Bad news, I got punched. Yo, I tell you guys every day, just don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Yo, CT, exactly. Well, you know what it is? They all do that. They post on Twitter, I made $3 million trading, or I turned 50,000 into 5 million. Ask me anything. It's like an engagement post. And it's like, dude, we all know you didn't really do it. Asking for rips. I never trade actual accounts at lunch. Are you talking about Rips, the trader Rips? What's up, Joyce? You know what it is? It's just so much at lunch you do get like chopped. No, I mean your account getting ripped. Dude, we pushing. Send cash now. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yes, CT. For me, I eat something, I take a shower, or I'll relax. I'll make myself a coffee. Walking away really helps you out. Dude, Mexican was good. Actually, I had my leftovers for lunch. Dude, I had a buffalo chicken burrito and a Maui Wowie burrito. The Maui Wowie is like steak, shrimp on like a normal type of burrito with they put in their special sauce, which you can all throw in the jokes for the special sauce. But it was good. But it does seem that I can wait for an hour. There's stupid shot. Yeah. I feel like if you made money, CT, it's easier to walk away. If you made money, you could easily say, "Hey, I'm good for an hour." But if you're down, oh yeah, yo, I order double of that, Chad, when I go to the Asian restaurants. Yeah, it's just one of those things that I think the not trading at lunch is part of giving your brain a relax, stepping away and everything else. We need to have a sim competition. Yeah, the mental break is needed. It's a nice refresher, and then I come back. I obviously trade a little bit while I'm back probably 1 o'clock, 1:30. Yo, what up, Michael? I'm back early, so this is some competition. Yo, it is. Listen, I just want you guys to make money. That's where I'm at. I just want you to make money. I mean, see, I did this account at lunch. I made $463. I put 147 in this account. And I think I might have traded this one and did $245. The trade I took. What was the trade I took? I took it in a bunch of accounts. Let me just see. Oh, I took it bouncing. I think I took it bouncing. I think I took this right here. I don't know why I can't mouse over it. But we were basically at 800 plus the 200 moving average was right here. And I took that bounce. Without having to blow your account. This is really freaking choppy. Like, oh, it's going to go. It's going to dip. It's going to go. It's going to dip. You in short? Oh, you might get the limp move where it just limps over. Come on. Come on. Give my man 20 points to the downside. Hit him with at least 20 more points. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Drop it like it's hot. Bottom of the range probably won't. You got this. I'm guessing you're looking. And now it goes after I hit the daily loss limit. Oh, geez. Yo, Alex, out at 46 plus 400. Boom. Next couple of weeks should be nice long as Trump doesn't pull something crazy. You never know. Different brackets. Yo, talk about brackets. Anyone do the take profit trader bracket by any chance? Anyone do the take profit trader bracket? I told you guys about it. I'm trying to find out. Oh, here's the leaderboard. I'm only 3 points behind. Okay. March Madness. You lost off the rip? This user's chaotic. Yeah. I mean, we definitely had a little market correction. Dude, I told you we were going to go green, by the way. Who called that we would go green today? I said, watch us go green. We needed 1870 to go green. And we ripped after I got off the stream earlier. And I was like, yo, we just went green. It just felt like that. It felt like we were going to go green. I should have played it with my real account. Dude, it went straight back up. You thought it was going to push to 20K? You never know. At the end of today, we're probably going to get some type of big move, I would assume. Probably some chop and then a late day move. $570? 570, 750. ES looks dumpy. ES looks dumpy. Oh, I don't want to do that in this account. Where's my let me get a brand new eval here. I would not trade this with a funded account. Just throwing it out there. I would not trade this with a funded account. The reason why, the probabilities just aren't there. The probability is you are in freaking chop. Yo, what up, Carlos? What up, Hacks? Grab some liquidity. You got the crossover to the downside. Just dump it, man. I might play smash or pass here, so don't. What up, Pascal? Yo, how was your birthday, man? What'd you do for your birthday? Did you go out? Get a birthday cake? Oh, my freaking. Let me see if I can set this up. Boom. Oh, you went to a restaurant with your friends? Dude, that's nice. And your family? That sounds like a good day. Sounds like a real good day. Come on. Drop it like it's hot. I mean, that's a little bear flag if I've ever seen one. I'm just waiting to see if it dumps. I want to see the dump. Come on. Damn. That's why I didn't do it in a funded account. Prime reason. We going higher, Keith? Maybe. Serious chop. I mean, as long as we stay in this channel, we'll probably just channel back and forth. I would say we got to break through because right now this is what I would see us do. Let's see. We're right at the top. Let's see if it rejects. $9.11. Dude, by the way, I looked at the thing that you gave me, Chad, Next Gen. Dude, that shit's super expensive. I do have Quant Tower still. I have Quant Tower for my personal account, and yeah. Why? You need help, Racer? Dude, I didn't know it was that pricey. It was like $5,000. Slow and steady, Joseph. That's all it is. So you have a stop loss. You have a take profit. You click the mouse. And your orders are in. They have lifetime sales through the year. Yeah, I'll look at it. I mean, I didn't even do the trial. I couldn't even figure out how to get the software. How's that sound? I couldn't even figure it out. So I just kind of bailed. I was heading out for my birthday and I only had a limited amount of time. So look at that. Rejected right. It was a perfect rejection. If it comes back down, I'm probably going to take a long because it's probably going to meet the 200 right around the bottom of the channel. Yeah, I'm going to play around. I'm going to look at it probably this weekend and see what the deal is. Yeah, I mean, there's certain things that I like. All of them are pretty much free, to be honest. They finally took my money out of Top Step. I traded that. Yeah, that Next Gen company, though, has been around for like 30 years or something like that. I don't know what they were doing prior, but they were selling something ages ago. Oh. Dude, this chop is killer. Look at this. It's just candle up, candle down, candle up, candle down, back and forth, back and forth. Let's go. If we stop here and punch through, I would say that that is a good bullish sign. All I'm going to say is thank you for Tesla today. It's pretty much most of my day's gain is Tesla. Yeah, I don't really know. I got to look. I give everything a look. I'll see. Yo, what up? Flip. I cash. What's going on? PG's in the house. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know. This is looking good. Break the channel. Hold. Come on. Are we going to just rocket out of here? Rocket Man? Dude, remember when Trump used to call the fucking North Korean guy Rocket Man? Do you guys remember that shit? He used to call him Rocket Man all the time. Dude, look at that. Look at that. That's a freaking nice break. Let's see if it comes back, retest, and goes back. Don't trade pre-market, man. Pre-market's the worst. Pre-market, Asia, like you don't need to trade any of that shit. Just wait. Just wait it out. I think it's gonna rip. It definitely what up, Piano? We come back and retest like the 9 right here. That would probably be optimal. I am personally bullish if it can pull back a little bit. I don't know if it is. I just played it. I just played it to the upside, but I want to see it come back. I don't want to chase it. You know, it's like 12, 14 points higher, which is $200 each contract. So I need it to come back down, fill me, and then we can go. Never want to chase. There's a couple of things you don't want to chase in life. One of them is stocks and futures as it goes up. Come on. Oh, that's close enough. That's Jesus, Luke. Yeah. I'll take one, and if it comes down, I'll fill. If it comes down, I'll fill more, but I grabbed one just in case because Chase the Dong song, Dong, the Dong, Dong, Dong. Remember that song? That shit was awesome. I had a lot of caffeine today, dude. Is that gonna fill? All right, I got in, obviously. See, like, so if you waited for the pullback, right, you can get out right here for what did we get in at? Like 68? You can get in for like 10 points already. Right? Yo, was that nice? That was an easy 10 points. That was an easy 10 points. That was a walkthrough. De-punching your account, Luke? Would you just grab that? That was super nice. $9.11 or die? Yo, do you have a stop? I'm just curious, Chad. Do you use stop losses, or are you just kind of like, hey, it's going to hit that or I'm out? Like, how do you roll with it? Do you have like a? I didn't know if you got like a stop loss in there or what. Some people don't even do stop losses. They just kind of like, hey, it's going to hit my target or not, which is wild, but they do it. Straight up, people do it. They might walk this up right on the 9. They might walk this straight up on the 9 and just keep it going to new highs. I mean, oh, by the way, I'm getting in also. What up, Kevin? What up? What up? W's like to rip. You chased it. Dude, you might get, I mean, it looks good. It doesn't look bad. I think that will be an indicator. I'll wait. I set my target and chase it. If it gets me out, I look to re-enter. Dude, my birthday was awesome, Kevin. We're celebrating. So last night was just my kids and the wife. We just had some Mexican and cake. Tonight I'm going out with friends. We're going to go get drinks. And then we're going to go to a different place to eat. And then tomorrow I have other friends I'm going out with. I think that'll be an indicator. I'll post why I'm leaving the screen so you'll be ready to hit Yen Q to move. Dude, that happens a lot, man. When you think it's just nothing's gonna happen, so you get up and go do something, and it just runs. 3 minute, 3x top, maybe even 5x. If you got room for it to move around, I mean, it doesn't look bad. I would want to get an entry a little bit higher. if you can get an entry above 90, because you got to think, you got to have your stop loss is probably going to be like 908 in case it wicks over 9 and comes back. So you got to be willing to hold it to 908 if you're wrong. So I wouldn't want to get in here. I'd want to get in like somewhere around here where I'm risking like 12 points. That's more or less what I would be looking for. Like my trading style. Damn, they just freaking dumped it. Look at that. They just came back to the trend. Let's see if it bounces off the. I got awful entry, but let's see. I want to see a hammer candle right here. Hammer, flip. I should have got in right here. I got in like 7-8 points, shitty position. I don't even know why. I don't even know how I got filled there because we were right here. I don't know what happened with that. Hey, all. Man, I should have held that long and traded during lunch. Oh, is it doing it right now? Oh, you fuck. What up, Corey? Trade all day and lunch. Give your portfolio a punch. Pretty much. Are you shitting me? Dude, this is just an eval only. Do not. This is in funded account territory. Oh. So what do you got to change your account to funded, Corey, tonight, or you did it this morning? Like, did you get the pro? You get your pro account yet, or is it you just waiting? Smash or pass it. Come on, baby. I'm waiting for the pro account now. Oh, so you submitted it already, Corey? Like you submitted it this morning or last night? Or you got to wait till 6 o'clock to do it or 6:30? I will flip this green. I'm waiting. They stopped me out. Got some back. I will flip this one green. Oh, man, my back. I got to wait till... Oh, you passed it this morning? Probably better off you don't have the pro account on an OPEX day. You know, probably better just to wait until Monday. The worst thing people do is I've seen people get accounts and like literally they finally get a funded account and it's like literally the worst price action that day. And they're like, I blew the account. And I'm like, yeah, I saw that coming. It was like the price action is just so awful. Yeah. So earlier this week, I think it was like Tuesday, the price action was real bad. Like we just chopped. And I saw on like Twitter, somebody got a bunch of funded accounts. and then they just blew them all that day. And I was like, yeah, I could see that. Like, price action was very choppy, and if you weren't waiting, you got destroyed. Oh, this is probably going to come all the way down here. Yo, what is this, by the way? I just want to see this. Yo, I just want to see something. This is a test. I just want to see what this does. What does that do? Oh, shit. Dude, that was like a Q&A thing. Did you see that? That was wild. I didn't know about that. I never knew what that button did. My bad. My bad. Yo, I didn't know what that button did, but I guess you can set up Q&As in here. That's pretty cool. Don't trade at lunch. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. I have a feeling this thing rips one way or the other. Last half hour of the day. Last half hour ripping. Rippy McRipperson. But yeah, the worst thing about, like, if you would have got that account, like, imagine getting the account and then it going red on Friday. Like I was saying on the morning, like in the morning stream, if I'm up over $100 and I'm green, I'm done on a Friday, because if I flipped them red, I would freak. It would ruin my weekend. What up, Ali? What's up? What's up? Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. What's up, Jay Fiska? Is this a funded account? It is a funded account. So I got one. Dude, I got 3 funded accounts. What up, Paul? Yo, tilt. Yo, worse is tilt on a Friday, man. If you get tilt on a Friday and you blow accounts, dude, you get all you literally shut your computer off, and it's just like, what did I just do? And then you got to wait till Monday. $1 p.m. sweep. I need to add this on my oh yeah, it swept and then returned back. Yeah. I got to add that. I got to add the what do you call it? I wish I got an alert on it. How's that sound? I set up the alerts. Previous I think I used this one. And then I set the alert up, but I don't think it alerted me. See, you set alerts by clicking these 3 buttons, and then you add alert. You don't want to do value. Let's see. It didn't work last time. Yo, what up, Josh? Yo, Ivan, what up? Nope, DGen crypto all weekend. Oh, geez. Hacks. I didn't think you played crypto. I didn't ping you for a crypto guy. What type of crypto? Yeah, Carlos, you feel like shit. You shut down the computer. I've traded the sweeps before. I just don't get alerted of. I keep forgetting to follow it. Yeah, Kraken bought Ninja Trader. Yep. Yeah. It's crazy. Don't do alerts, bro. Kraken board. What's S? What do you mean SO? I played the hourly sweeps a bunch. I just don't get alerted that it happens. So that's why I was setting the alerts up. I don't understand. It says dark theme, but this is all white. Oh, that was weird. This was dark. The outside wasn't. Major crypto degen weekends full of tilt and hypocrisy. What type of coins do you trade? Are you trading like ETH or are you trading like, butthole coin? XRP? S&P just broke 5,700. Oh, so you're trading the majors. That makes sense. Do you use leverage? I have a I have a Mexi account. I have Mexi and you can use leverage there. Do you use that or you got another platform? Full tilt, need liquidity, full tilt, full port. Oh, jeez. Lakers in 5, Shannon Sharp. No leverage, all cash. I don't mind doing leverage, but I do it like 2x or 3x. So it just kind of gives you a boost, but you're not going to get liquidated. You know what I mean? Like, you're not going to get liquidated on 3x. You'd have to get destroyed. Dude, I like Shannon Sharp. The Shay Shay Club or Club Shay Shay. Yo, he's getting chill out for the homies. Dude, it adds flair to the chat. Dude, this is serious chop. Serious chop. I guess you could say one big flag up and then just flagged. It doesn't look good on the higher time frames, I can tell you that. This hourly gets below 832. Dude, it gets ugly. It gets you hold my beer, I get liquidated. Brad, yo, I tell everybody, don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Just chill out. Cove and 5. Dude, I was born in it, molded by it. Yo, what is that? Dark Knight? That's the when he fights Bane, and Bane's talking about how he grew up in the darkness. Come on. I think I'm looking to short this thing, to be honest. That shit's not in play anymore, really. Although, kind of is. We just keep bouncing off of it on this side of it. Dude, I've seen quite a bit of movies. Thinking about it. Thinking about the short here. I mean, this short, I would go. This is a smash or pass. I mean, I would go all in on an eval. Do not follow this. This is straight up. We're passing this account or we are not. I'll take that off, right? Because we're at the 200. I get worried being at the 200 that they're going to bounce it back up and then you can reshort it. This is some juicy chop. I'm turning my quant tower off before I do something stupid. Easy environment to do something stupid in. That I can tell you. Super easy. Yo, insane bull train, swole bane, Coven 5. Can rip 70 before the slap. I gotta stop doing meth. Jeez. Come on, bounce it a little bit and then dump it. Yeah, 200 bounce. You know, I always get worried holding a short through 200. But I will say, if it does blow through 200, usually, I mean, you get a lot of gains, you know. They might send it down to 800. Yeah. Yeah, Brad. I'm with you. You know, if they push it through, it's going to just absolutely dump. I kind of would like to see them bounce, stochastics come up a little bit, and then we roll over. Where is Sean? Yo, somebody put out an APB out for Sean. If you mix opiates with your meth, they cancel each other out, and you're back to... Dude, you sound like the guy from fucking... what do you call it? Wolf of Wall Street, when he's talking about all the drugs he takes in the beginning of the movie. He's like, this is for this is for this, and this... Oh, dude, you got 5-minute fair value gaps at 720s? Dude, we go back to 720s, this market's in trouble. If they close it up here, it was a constructive day. If they close it highs or green, today is awesome. But if they dump it, it's not great. If I take it short here, I'm going to have a stop loss above this candle. This is just an eval. I mean, if they let it go, you're going to get a massive push through. I mean, the big thing is if they let it go. I don't know if they're going to let it go. You know. Come on, let's go, big boy. Drop it like it's hot. I mean, if you're following, you're up because we obviously got in at 45, right? So if you want to take profits or move your stops down, oh, we got in at 40. So I just took one off. I took two off, right? I just took two off, and now I'm moving my stops lower. You know, you want to work it, right? So now we're automatically going to make 8 points out of this at least, guys. What up, body bag? We're in a trade. We're up. We just covered half, and we just got stopped out of the rest. But that's what you want to do. It might go lower. It could definitely go lower, but you made 8 points at least. Yeah, well, I mean, there was 4 contracts on 8 points. So, you know, what is that? Oh, maybe it was $817 we made. Green is green, man. I mean, short the 200. That's a good spot. If you got that, awesome. This thing looks like it's going to just give it up. I grabbed a small piece in, what do you call it? I grabbed a small short in Quant Tower. I am out. I'm only out because I don't even know what this account's up to. Oh. Well, there you go. There we go. Damn. Either way, my entry was like 40. Made money. Dude, Take Profit Trader still hasn't taken my money out of the account. I use minis. I'm not saying that you should use minis. I'm just saying I use minis. If I had done that, it wouldn't have went the other way. Oh, Joe, You got it, man. Did you catch any of that gold dump? I don't play. I don't really play gold during New York. I usually play gold from 7:30 at night to like 10:30 or 11 at night. That's when I play gold. What up, cats? I try to stay away from gold during the day because otherwise I'm flipping between gold, NQ, and it's just a lot of stuff going on. I got gold, I got NQ, I got stock and options. It's just a lot of flipping back and forth that I just kind of narrow it down to just NQ on futures. You know? So I keep it there. This was a nice short though. Very nice. Took the dog out again. Missed out. Oh, Luke. Tell the dog to walk himself. Yo, you got to get like a drone that holds the dog leash and then just walk him around. I don't think I'm using minis until I get a 10K buffer. I don't want to be able to do. Yeah. If you're looking at DCA, I would probably go to micros. If you're going to DCA, I would go to like 2 or 3 micros at a time. Allows you a couple DCAs. Yo, Roomba dog walker? Yeah, something like that. So we swept the hourly early on. Technically, this is to come back to 860. 860. Yo, DCA with 5 micros at a clip. Just keep adding. Honestly, the real move would be to sweep the lows and then come back through, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Let me get out of 1 right under the 200, maybe. Right under the 200, get out of 1. By the way, oh, there we go. I just moved my stop up, by the way. I'm in green right now. I'm moving my stop up. I'm at 832. Okay. What do we make? Almost 400 off that? Somebody grab that. That was a freaking nice trade. The real target is 860. Do you think we hit 860? Well, we came in the previous hour right here, 832. We're actually right there at 832. Oh, baby. If we come back up, well, I just got filled. Yeah, I just got filled. Technically, 860. Let's see what happens. Dude, what's causing these candles, man? These candles are getting crazy right now. OPEX is getting close. Oh, that's what it is. Dude, OPEX is getting close. Oh, I didn't even think of that. Options expiration is at 3. Well, not 3, but it's the end of the day. But as we get closer, you're going to get a lot of these wick whack candles. Yeah. This is options expiration today. Tell me what made you go long here. I would have been looking for a third leg down. So why I went long is there's actually a stat for hourly sweeps. So being that we swept the previous hour high, when you come back through inside the candle, there's like a high rate. It's like over 80% that you're going to come back to the hourly open. In this rate, the hourly open candle actually is at 848 it opened. So 847. So being that we came through, in theory, you'd get long at 831 to 846. But if you don't want to wait until you get back in the candle, you can basically wait until it creates your first fair value gap or inverts a fair value gap on the 30-second chart. So see right here, there's a fair value gap that's red. When you invert that, you would have gotten long. And so you would have gotten long at 824. I think from here on out, you're going to get a lot of these algo candles. By the way, Apex denied my payout in one of my accounts. Oh, I forgot to tell you, boys. This is where I got the stats from. So it takes out prior high, trades back to hourly open, takes out prior low. These are the percentages, right? But if it happens in the first 20 minutes, these are the percentages. If it happens in the first 20 to 40 minutes, that's the percentages. So you want to get it early on. You want to get it in the first 20 minutes. And there's a high rate that it returns back. It's based on 10 years worth of data. 10-year sample, 2014 to 2024. Dude, I was just up fucking money and didn't see that I was up money. Sir, you sneezed during the trade. That's why I tell everybody, go use Take Profit Trader. So technically it returned back. I mean, you were at basically 45. So you were what, 2 points off? Fuck, I wasn't even looking at it. Basically, I was 2 points off. Hopefully for the good, Dell. Hopefully for the good. This looks like shit now. I can't even fucking see. This won't get off my screen. Yo, what up, Alfred? I mean, that's up to you at the end of the day, you know, like I like take profit trader accounts. Dude, that was an awesome short, by the way, we just took. I mean, that was quick 10 points. Yeah. I mean, get the Tradeify. If you won the Tradeify account, get it. But I like Take Profit Trader because I take payouts from it every day, or every day that they send me my money that I could trade the account. I take it. Yeah, Dal. Yo, I can't delete the cash, bro. Then I'm not gonna have my search history saved. Then I gotta go to page 385 again to get all my ones that I want. There's no consistency, Dell, once you get funded. Once you're funded, you can do whatever you want. Dude, that's a wild pop. Yo, you don't know until you get to the end, bro. Oh, man. Yeah, the eval. Yeah, it is what it is. But you can ask Alfred. Alfred uses Take Profit Trader. He loves it. Yo, Ed, haven't seen you in a while. What up? Alfred's Pro Plus with them. Yeah, man, you can take out money every day. Take Profit Trader has no rules. They just send you your money. Yo, Funded's in the house. What up, man? Yeah, and then, yo, you can always just move to another account, Dell. Yo, Funded, what up? How have you been, man? How have you been? Things good? I finished my trading day today in 22 seconds. Dude, that's quick. What'd you do? You played the opening range trade and then you were done? Or you played something else? What up, Gavin? What's the play? I'm just trading. I traded this whole thing. I'm just trading. I don't necessarily have a. I don't have a. Whatever the market gives me, I'm just gonna scalp play. You're getting a lot of algo candles because we're getting closer to the end of the day. Opening range trade off the Yo, he left NQ very unsatisfied after 22 seconds. Yeah. Today we were in the Discord VC in the server. I gotta go check it out. I'm not a huge. I have the Discord, but I'm not like a huge Discord guy. But I gotta go back in. All 6 on 20 accounts. He's up. Jeez. Yeah. Body bag. Yeah. You know what I find Funded? There's always a couple wild people in the chat that trade way too big, that have massive days, and they'll completely crush it. But then all of a sudden you'll hear like 3 weeks later that they blew all their accounts and they can't, when you start playing too big, and things don't go your way, they start blowing a lot of accounts, and then they're like, I don't know why I'm blowing all these accounts. Yeah, Alfred's Fredo on Discord. I blow accounts for fun. Yeah, Eminem. Yeah, Alfredo. Fredo. Dude, I'll check after the stream. I'll go in and say what's up. Oh, Discord slows my freaking computer up. It slows the browser windows up. Hey, at least you know enough to call it quits, man. Because some people, you know, the worst is making a ton of money early on. This is why I don't want to trade one account. Because all these accounts are locked in, basically. Like, I'm not going to probably trade them. Like, I locked in profits. But if I had one account, I could be up. I'd be up a couple $1,000, but like, it'll force me to keep trading that account. And then, you know, I can turn it red. Yeah, Dale, having a job does let you trade stupid, without a doubt. Dude, I got to get water. I'm freaking dying here. Hold on one second. I'll be right back. 2 seconds. I'm back. I'm back to make money. Oh. What up, Funded? Oh. What up, Pauline? Body bag. I heard China pays good money for Korean kidneys. What? Dude, I've heard some crazy shit, like people in Mexico die, like randomly dying, and then like people go, like relatives go, and like they're missing kidneys and shit. It's wild. Dude, I need that fucking thing again. I have it over there. My freaking shoulder. Just steal from Costco and sell it inflated. Oh. Dude, it's wild, man. Yeah, I appreciate it, Funded. I tried to be as open as you could possibly be, as transparent as you could possibly be. You know, you see my screen, you see the accounts, you see me put the things in. You know, there's no, I try to talk about the trades beforehand, you know, so you know what I'm thinking about. How do I trade OB? You talking about order blocks? Opening range? Dude, I got a whole video about opening range trades. I actually back tested. I mean, I use them as support and resistance for the most part. You know, for argument's sake. So I did a whole thing that if you go 50 points above the 15 or the hourly, when you come back, you'll get a bounce, something like this right here, where we bounced. I mean, the bounce doesn't look big, but that's 75 to 25 point bounce. And then also when you trade back through it, you would catch the short right there on the way back. And then if you trade from the top all the way to the next one, I got a whole video on it. Like, it's hard to just go over real quick on the stream, but I'll post it in here. I'll find it for you. It's It's definitely worth watching because you'll make a lot of money trading the opening range. I'll find it. I'll put it in here, though. It's going to be an interesting video. There we go. That's the orb video that I did. Yo, what up, Ryu? Dude, I missed so much of the chat. Do you look for orb breakouts or trade within the range? So it depends on how we got there. Like if we bounced our head and then we kind of like traded down a little bit and we're like making a flag right under, I'm looking for the push through. But like if we just go all the way, if we travel from like the bottom of the orb all the way to the top, I'm kind of looking to push through, but then trade back through to the bottom or back through for a nice short on the way back. Body bag. Pretty sure it's illegal. Yeah, I just posted it in here. What page? I don't know. I just posted the link to it. Oh yeah, Las Vegas, it's legal. Yeah, they got all those things out there. Dude, sell feet pics? Maximus. What up, Maximus? Are you not entertained? Seriously, I'm going to put a stable together. Dude, there was a whole show on HBO. Yo, I'm going to get in this for a pop. I'm just in an eval, by the way. I'm not trading any funded accounts here because you're going to get a lot of algo candles from here to the end of the day. And I don't want to get caught in an algo candle that completely crushes a funded account. And then we trade right back. So I'm preserving my funded capital right now. Just throwing it out there. But if I can stack some gains in some of these evals, great. But I don't want to ruin my Friday by turning a green funded account red. It's fine. Keep the losses small. The modern version is being a manager of only... Dude, those people make crazy money, dude. Crazy, crazy money. Dude, I saw an Instagram ad for that. How's that sound? I've seen Instagram ads for you to become a manager. They'll teach you how to become a manager. That was the Instagram ad. I was like, what? Oh, geez, body bag. Yeah. Get on OnlyFans. Oh, stretch my legs out. Anybody doing anything fun this weekend? What do you guys got going on this weekend? What you guys doing? I'm old and have 2 kids, so I just go out to dinner with friends when I get a babysitter. But I'm sure you young guys are out doing some fun stuff. I wish I could go play golf. I'd go for a round of golf right now. Taking the family to the movies? That's fun. What movie are you seeing? Offshore fishing. Now that's what I'm talking about. Offshore fishing is awesome. I'm going to go chill at the pool. Yeah, it's too cold by me. Oh, Jesus. Kevin. Lock myself in a room, smoke rocks. Dude, I'd go for some golf. Yeah, Bartolo. Last movie I went and watched, I went and saw Sonic 3 with my kids. This is I don't want to say an all-in situation, but this is a so you booking a flight for me? I wish I can get out, dude. Dude, my birthday was yesterday funded. So I'm celebrating my birthday all weekend. Yo, what up? What up, bum? Been on the road working for 10 hours. Listen to the best loser win. I might take this. I just took that. That was a nice trade. Hold on. The best loser wins by what is that, Tom Hogard? I recommend that book to everybody. If you haven't read that book or listened to it, The Best Loser Wins is probably the best book that's out there that I've heard about. All right, I've finished my day job. Coming with my fiance, we're going out. Send Addie. Dude, it sounds awful. I'm coming to you. Yeah, yo, I turned 42 yesterday, man. Turned 42 yesterday, and I got a bunch of birthday celebrations this weekend. I got to go. You know, I'm going out with my friends and whatnot. And then I got kids' sports. Like, I got my kids' sports. I got to be there at 5 o'clock today. My kids start softball. Taking my kiddos and friends to Snow White tonight. Been a while since I've seen a movie theater. That'll be fun. No, you don't have to send me anything funded. All good. No, man. No, I'm good. I'm good funded. I appreciate it, though. Ed, thanks, man. Oh, wait, I was here yesterday. Dude, I can't remember anything anyways. Yo, what up, Fred? It's a Middle Eastern tradition. I'm good, man. I'm good. I just all the way from LA. Dude, I need to get out to LA. I've never been to LA before, and I feel like it's something I'm missing out on. Strippers. Dude, I haven't been to a strip club in ages. Ages. Last one I was in Vegas. I went to Sapphires. LA is mid. I'll let you know. If I go out to LA, I'll let you know, man. Without a doubt. It's just a place I want to go. You know? Yeah, the Hogard book is excellent. He trades big money, but he'll do live trading stream with some ratty. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I do. You know? I mean, dude, this is one of those like $25 hoodies and a $10 t-shirt. I trade my own money on my other screen. Something about just being comfortable, man. You know? Keeping it comfy. You guys don't know nothing about LA. LA is Miami Beach. Jeez, Del. Go to San Diego? Yeah, so I want to hit up I'm going to hit up LA. I want to go to Napa. I want to do like 2 days in Napa. 2 or 3 days in Napa. I want to do LA. I would like to do San Diego. I'd probably go out there for probably do like 10 days out there and just kind of go all the different places I want to go. Yo, Dr. Funded? Bro, I feel like you go out and party fucking hard after seeing your truck. I'm just saying. That truck looks like you go out and party hard. Just throwing it out there from what I vibe from seeing people's cars and stuff. I feel like Funded's out late, and there's a lot of chicks around. I just feel like that's the case. Yo, that's how I don't. I'm not saying anything about it because he said not to, but I'm just saying I seen the whip, and I feel like he's out. Oh, yeah, yeah. That's a straight up. I go out and party, and there's girls everywhere. Uh, let me see. Let me see, dude. I gotta find on Discord. Here we go. It's a really, really nice freaking truck. Yo. Oh, what up, laughter? Got to show him the last bit. Yo, there you go. Use code Cove Trader. Oh man, Dan Bilzerian style, dude. What happened to Dan Bilzerian? I haven't even heard anything about him in ages. Dan Bilzerian just fell off the face of the earth. I drive a beater, and it's the current almost beaten. Oh man, dude. I gotta set up my copy trader real quick. Dude, I've gotten 18 spam calls at least since lunch. Spam calls are getting out of control here. Andrew Tate took over. Is that what it is? Who's G Wagon? That's Funded G Wagon. That's his G Wagon. I do see Andrew Tate a lot more. Yeah, Tate's everywhere now. Dude, Cali could be the best state, but the taxes is what's killing everybody. The high taxes is wild. High taxes is definitely killing everything over there. Andrew's one of them. I don't follow Andrew Tate really. And yo, open up an LLC and write off your life. Jeez. That's where we're at. Dude, I don't want to write off. NY is not much better. Not really with taxes. Taxes is rough over here. I live out in Long Island. It's a little bit different. But yeah, if you're in the city, man, you got to be crazy. Like the city's cool because you have access to like all the restaurants, all the all the cool buildings and everything. But yeah, you gotta. It's definitely not great. You don't like wait, yo, Cove, you only trade? Nah, I own a business outside of this. I started a business in 2012 and I took 5 years off of trading to start a business. So that's kind of I do that. I trade the majority of the day, but I do that as well. I'm just looking. Yeah, volatility is incoming. You ain't kidding. Yo, Zabek, what up? What's going on? 2 more minutes. Dude, something's going to happen. Something crazy's happening right now. Cove, do you think it's possible to pass a 50K eval? Yeah, man, you could definitely pass that. Why not? Why not? He's the best pimp in Cincinnati? I don't even know who you're talking about. Oh, baby. Here we go. Moo ha ha ha. Yo, put W's in the chat if you got that. Who the fuck got that? Come on. Who got that? Come on, baby. Smash the confetti. Smash the likes. Who got that? Who's walking away with fucking cash? Come on. Who's walking away with that cash? Who just made their fucking weekend? Huh? Who just made their fucking weekend? Yo, Pip and Ron. What did I get? At least $300 in one. I got it in 1, 2, 3, 4 PA accounts and 1, 2, 3 evals. So a lot of the accounts I got $320. You can see 320, 320, 320, 320. Oh, baby. Push it. Push it. Yo, later, Flip. Wow. No, because I can't copy trade into Take Profit Trader. But also they didn't take my money out yet. Yo, I should do it with 10 con. I should do 10 cons on Take Profit Trader on Monday. Yo, honestly, you could probably get more than 5 points. Could have easily got a 10 spot. Oh, baby. Yo, 5 points a day is 300 bucks, Josh. No need to do anything else. Chad, you've been saying 9/11 for a while. You have. Let's see if it hits it. Yo, you shorting the 355? I said we were going to close green. Oh, we were talking about it this morning, Luke. It was going to be at a round number, and we were saying like 900, 800, 900. We were talking about it this morning that they were going to pin it. Dude, you just got 9/11. What do you think? 355 is going to pump it or dump it? Dude, this is crazy. Here we go. They're going to do something right now. They're going to probably push it further, I would guess. Oh, baby. Holy shnikes. Oh, that's nice. That's real nice. Keep pushing it. If I want them to push it because if we open higher on Monday, it's better for me to write puts and options on my positions at a higher level come Monday. So that's kind of what I want. I want to finish strong and open high. Dude, they might shoot this all the way up to 20,000. We might see 20,000 here. Oh, Dell, what are you doing? Thought I bought 15 micros minus 6K minis? Jeez. Dude, if they keep running this into close, I'm going to short it at the very end of the day. Yo, I'm looking for the short at the very, very end of the day. What should I do it with? I'll probably just do it with my Take Profit Trader eval. It needs to run until like 5:59, 40 seconds, and then I'm going to do it. Come on, keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. I want you to push it higher. Higher. I have this weird feeling they're going to close it all the way down at 900. Come on. It's kind of like flagging. Push out of this. Run for another minute. And then I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit on the way down. I mean, you got to think we just ran almost 100 points. Dude, I think they're going to hammer this. "30 seconds? Keep going. 40 seconds? Yo, holla at your boy. Who got that? Yo, I just flipped. This was minus 500, and now we're plus 285. What sparked the move? Options expiration. Yo, I'm rich. Yo, how awesome was that? So that's another one of those plays I talk about. When we run up the end of the day like that, you're looking to short the last 30 seconds of the day, because the last 30 seconds it's going to close and they're going to just sell it right down. And that's where you're able to take advantage of it right there. We might go down further, but that has been a play that I've taken so many times on the stream. You know, that's it. I mean, I'm out. I'm not looking to reshort it or anything. Like, the play is over, just so if you're wondering. The play is right at close. They'll sell it back down and you'll get no, Kevin, it's kind of like, I guess, like an imbalance or something that I play, but like basically there's buying, and the last 20 seconds to 10 seconds of the day, the buying stops and they basically just drop it. And you could see they dropped it 75 to they dropped it about 40 points, and you just get that and then you're out. Like I said, I mean, that's the play. I mean, I don't want to call it like a play, but like it's kind of like you're not looking for a candle setup. Like it's just you run 100 points into the end of the day, the last 20 seconds, 10 seconds, it always sells back off. This might sell all the way off to 900. But, yo, Dell. Listen, I hope it keeps going up. I hope we keep going up. But that was just my play. Oh, you know what? I need to trade this account. Fuck. Because Take Profit Trader makes you trade 5 days to pass an account. So I just want to flip just to get a day in. This will be my flip. There we go. I'm in the profit. But I need to get a day in. So this will give me one trading day plus obviously a little bit of profit, hopefully. There. I just moved my stop down. Yo, next week should be up. So I'm just going to let that ride. I'll probably get stopped out. Yeah, I just got stopped out. Yo. I didn't make as much as you think. I made $1,200 there, Ray, and I'll tell you right now. And I made $583 here. So what did I 5, 6, I don't know, 1,700 today? Dude, this is amazing. Look at this. It's freaking awesome. Rosales, you took both? Yeah. Got a question about 350 play. Are you playing both sides of the candle? I am. Just remember, if enough people start doing it, they're going to outlaw it. So just realize that. So I would keep it to this room. I would not be posting anywhere else because they'll eventually outlaw the play if too many people are winning on it and doing it. Check out the 830 candle. Yeah, first rule of 350 candle is we don't talk about 350 candle. So today was this candle right here. That didn't do much. That was a small guy. Yeah, you would have got hope. Yeah, I got to look back. Yo, keep it on the DL. Dude. We crushed it in here, though. We crushed it in here. I mean, it doesn't really get better than this. That's a straight up green all around. I mean, listen, you stick to the rules, stick to your trading rules. You play the right setups and you make money. Yo, It went way past 9/11, Chad. I mean, that thing just took off. It literally just took off. The 350 candle just freaking blasted it. This actually looks like it's going to go higher. I don't want to play anything because I don't want any red on the board. I want to finish the day just like I see it. Just like I see it. Cove, stop and fill. PG, I'm not sure exactly what you're talking about. I'm taking off TP next week on algo play. Oh, geez, you're just gonna let it go? Bro. Wiser than most. Thanks for that, Cove. Yo, awesome. Awesome having you here, man. If I lose the duck race, that's a red day for me. Dude, this has been... Yo, we've been stacking. I'm just going to say we've been stacking. I actually have this account. This account is another payout account. $290 away. I'll probably try passing this on Monday and get another payout. Where did I get? I do stops now only unless I'm on Project X. Dude, imagine having the balls to just go long or short and just hold it. I got filled right here. You can see it. 62 to 67. 5 points. $300. I played 3 minis. Dude, if I would have held that, dude, that was awesome, though. I wonder what happened yesterday. Was yesterday a go, like a go also? Did it just jump and go? Yesterday, oh, yeah, dude, you know what? Dude, yesterday, if you got filled on the up, I wonder if you hold a runner, it just keeps going. Yo, by the way, we just hit an all-time high in this chat. We have an all-time high in the chat viewing it right now. 76 people we just hit. Yo, if we hit 100 people, I got something special for the chat. Like 100 real people, not like you guys making fake accounts. But like we hit 100 real people in the chat, I'll break out something special for you guys.
The market is closed.
Ooh, the market is closed. Yo, Sean! Dude, where have you been, Sean? We were looking for you earlier. Some hydro? Yo. Yesterday wasn't that crazy, but if you stayed in it, you would have gotten a crazy, it ran. Whatever way it breaks to, it runs. So look, I'll just show you. Like yesterday, you would have gotten filled. You would have gotten filled on the down right here, and then it ran another 20-something points. I don't know. I'm thinking about leaving runners. Yo, breaking out Diddy Oil? Should be higher viewers. Dude, Bum, I think people get a lot out of this, but they just don't know I'm even around. That's what I think happens. I was getting food before. Oh, dude, priorities. Yeah, I was thinking like 3 contracts. One, you take 2 off and you let 1 ride maybe. Or you take like, 20, you take like 30, or you take like 30 micros and you sell 25 and let 5 ride. Yo, the only stream on YouTube I ever got something from. Yo, I appreciate that, Island Boy. I try to give as much value as I possibly can, and I don't charge for anything. I just try to give because it's cool to see you guys doing it. Yo, Dell. But yeah, it's cool seeing everybody win, man. That's what it's about. You know? It's cool seeing everybody taking payouts. Like, you know, that's what it, at the end of the day, that's why I did this. You know, I can just, I enjoy hanging out with people. You know, it's fun trading with other people. Oh, tells us true. 1950 is where they want it. Park the rest of the day. Possibly just pin it at 9. Yeah, somewhere around there. Yeah, Ed, I feel like we got a really good room. Like, it's just a fun environment on that aspect, and we make money trading on that aspect. So it's kind of, you get both. You get entertainment, you get fun, and you also hopefully learn some stuff. You know? Just want to sort this by PAs. Where am I with PAs here? Starting to work some of these up close to payout, close to payout, close to payout. That's getting there. That's getting there. Dude, we might be able to take a couple payouts next week. Take Profit Trader hasn't given me my money yet. Yo, Brandon, it does. Yo, Justice, what up? I was down 6K in the day, and that last 100-point move gave my money back. Placed 3 contracts and went to take a crap. Came back 10 minutes later, and boom, I was up. Bro, that's amazing. Where do I play in the annoying one that calls out shit trades? Dell, you're bringing in laughter. You add to the room, bud. You definitely add to the room. Yo, in 6 minutes, we'll run the duck race. We'll give away a Take Profit Trader account or Apex. 25K Take Profit Trader account or 50K Apex. You let me know what you want. Dude, these guys still haven't moved my money over. That's wild. Yo, Justice just went in and said, Justice was like, just F it. This is either going to go or it's not. And he just bounced. What up, Nasdaq? I'm guessing you're new here. You blew up all today? Dude, should have hung out on the stream, man. We're up. Every account is up. Come hang out. Can I withdraw the 50? Yo, thank you, Cove. Made money both ways. Yeah, the last 20 seconds. Yep. Nice, man. Nice. That's what it's about. Can I withdraw the 50K and just not trade it? Yeah, Chad. Oh, just withdraw the 50K money that they give you? Yo, awesome. What up, Miramar? No Diddy. Yeah. Yo, what up, Waldo? Yeah, we smashed. We smashed. We've been smashing, though. Like, it's not like it's just today. I mean, we've just been smashing. What did yesterday look like? I mean, this was yesterday. So if anybody thinks this was like a fluke, this is what yesterday looked like. Dude, that was yesterday and this is today. Loading some fresh take profit trader account. Yeah. Next week is back to normal. I think we're going to trend up. I think it's going to be a nice little bull run for a little bit. If you look, I mean, I feel like they trap shorts in. They basically trap shorts today if you look at it, which was freaking crazy. They broke it down here, and I think a lot of people were thinking short, and then they just ripped it back up. I think they're going to send it. If Monday's candle gets above 110 and closes up here, this would look really bullish. And anybody that got short on this is getting smoked. If I could pull the trigger on the 9:30 candle, I'd be done in 1 minute or so. Yo, CT, I take it. Every day I take it. I'll show you real quick. Yo, a couple minutes and we'll run it. But I'll show you real quick. The problem is if you don't do it every day, then you can't do it. It has to be like an everyday situation. But 9:30, so this is the candle, right to the upside, hit. And then I did one also. If it goes up, you still leave the one down, and you would have got filled and made money on the way down. You would have got both ways today. Yeah, you could have gotten it both sides. All right, boys, I'm going to run this because I got to go. I coach my kids softball, so I got to go coach. But we smashed. Let me set this up. By the way, I hope you guys are getting something out of the chat. The goal is really to for you guys to learn, for you guys to take payouts. You know, hold on. Sorry, my kid asked me what to get dressed, but I want you guys to be taking payouts. You know, I love when you guys give trade ideas. You know, that's what it's about, for you guys to learn. By the way, there's some new people on here. We stream live every day, 10:30 till noon. And then we stream live again, 2 p.m. to about 4:30. If you got questions or comments, put it in the chat now. We do these account giveaways all the time. So also, if you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. It works at every single prop firm. And that is what allows me to do all these giveaways. That's why we pretty much give away $100 accounts. And it's nice because you guys win them. And hopefully you can take those to a payout. All right, this is whoever was on the morning stream. So morning stream is going to play afternoon stream for the account. If you were on both, then you got extra chances to win. If you guys have questions about indicators, strategies, anything, now's the time to ask. If you have questions about prop firms, all your answers are probably on that spreadsheet. All right. Let it run. Quack, quack, baby. Let's go. Come on. Quack, quack. Who's going to win it? Who's taking it home, baby? Dude, I want to take it home. 13, 12. Damn, Kevin, you were pushing for a little bit. Dude, Nathan White slowly going to take it? Yo, are you in here? Nathan, are you in here? It's 4:22. You got 2 minutes. 4:22. You got 2 minutes. Dude, I'm waiting. He may not be in here. Dude, he's not in here? Oh, he's here. All right. Let me set up. This is the afternoon guys. All right. Hold on. Now, afternoon guys. Let's see what happens. This is everybody that's on the stream now. So it's going to be Nathan versus. By the way, if Nathan wins again, we rerun it because it's got to be two different people. Two different people. Yeah, Nathan, you're going to play the winner of this. Nasdaq, you got to put the code in. It's all automated. I don't do it. It's all automated. You got to put this code in, and you got to be on the stream for like 25 or 30 minutes before you can do it. So being that you're here today, you're going to be able to enter on Monday. Monday, we're going to do it again. So don't worry about it. We give away accounts almost every day. So there's room. You can win all the time. Trading Alchemist, welcome to the stream. M. Prelu, are you here? It's 4:24. You got 2 minutes. M. Prelu. Dude, I didn't even see my duck either. Is M. Prelu here? Yo, M. Prelu. Uh-oh. We might be running this again. M. Prelu. You got 1 more minute, bud. Otherwise, somebody else is going to get it. Oh, I think we're going to run it. This is why you got to stay on the stream, boys. This is why you got to stay here. He's not here, right? 1. You got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. RIP, buddy. Somebody else is going to win. Let's go, baby. Yo. Who's Nate gonna race? Yo, yo, we're taking out the special race for Nate. Nate versus whoever, we're doing the special race. Come on. It's exclamation point Nasdaq. It's exclamation point Cove Trader. Yo. Jay Styles. It's 4:27. You got 2 minutes. Are you in the building? Jay Styles, are you in the building? Okay, you ready? It's you versus Nate. Who's gonna win? Who's getting the free account? It's usually 2 minutes, but Ed, I gotta go coach softball. I gotta be there at 5:00. Otherwise, I usually do 2 minutes. But I am yeah. Damn. Yo, Jay Styles, I didn't know you were like that. Uh-oh. Is Nate gonna come through? Yo, this race is wrong on so many levels. Yo, they voted. Oh. Nate. Yo, shoot me an email, Nate. Nate won. Yo. Anybody got questions right now? Yo, you could choose between a 25K take profit trader or a 50K Apex account, Nate. Yo, I just want to say before everybody gets off, I appreciate you guys. We had an amazing week. If you have any questions or comments, the morning has an advantage lately because there's less people on the stream in the morning. So when you race, there's a better chance of you winning. That's what makes the morning better. If you want to find me on the weekend or when I'm not streaming, you can join the Discord. It's absolutely free. But yeah, I want you guys to enjoy the weekend. What's the meaning of life? Just enjoy your friends and family, my man. Yeah, yo, today was a great day. Today was really good, guys. And we're just going to keep it rolling into next week. Just keep following the same rules, same trades, and just keep stacking. You know? Just keep doing that thing. Oh, man. Yeah, birthday weekend. Thanks, CT. Thanks, Funded. Oh, man. Yo, see you guys on Monday. Yo, chat. Yo, you guys put the content in the Discord. I just made the video. That's on Sean. I think Sean put it on there. Yo, later, Jay Styles. Yo, enjoy fishing, man. Yo, if you catch a big fish, I want to see it. Peace out. Later, Chad. Oh, man. This was this was pretty good. This was real good. Wow. Dude, I just keep looking at the P&L. I just keep looking at the accounts all green like that. Oh, what a day. What a day. I'm just like, absolutely crushed it. Yeah. Later, hacks. Small wins. Hey, wins are wins. That's all that matters. Thanks, hacks. Oh, my brain. I'm going to need a nice, relaxing weekend. Ooh, baby. That was awesome. Absolutely crushed it. All right, guys. I'm jumping off. I hope you guys learned something today. I hope you guys made money. If you got questions, comments, if don't be worried about asking prop firm questions. That'll probably answer you all, like about withdrawals and everything. If you got questions about indicators or any of my tabs that I got, I could talk about it at any time. I can make a video for it for you. Just ask on one of my videos. Just leave a comment or put it in the Discord. I'll get right back to you. Nasdaq, good meeting you, man. Nice meeting you. Hopefully I see you on Monday. But I'm out. Enjoy the weekend. Go make some memories. And I will see you on Monday. Peace.